Hey bitches! Hey bumblebees and to viewers watching. If you're new, welcome to the Hive. I am back and better than ever. How you doing? In my last video, I did eyebrow tinting, and these puppies right here are the results of that video. So if you want to know what products I used and how I did it, make sure you go check that out because it is up now. In today's video, we are going to be doing a bloody cut crease. These are the results because I want to show you the results before we even get into it. And I got the inspiration for today's video from Alice King Makeup. She is a UK based makeup artist and she specializes in a lot of creative and intricate eyeliner looks. This is her page right here, so if you want to go follow her, her page will be in the description below. Okay? So, without wasting any more time, let's get into this video. First things first, we're just going to take like a little small brush. We're going to take a cream blush and we are going to put that on the brush. Oh yeah, first things first, I'm going to take these damn lashes off so y'all can see everything because we's not gatekeeping anything, trying to hide anything. So, let's get into it. So, I already have eyeliner on, but I'm just going to apply some of it on top of this eyeliner just cause. Now I'm gonna just drag it out like that. So on top of the liner and drag it out. Then you want to look all the way up. Take more. Let me turn this camera so you can see close. Let me zoom it. Oh, I can't zoom it. Y'all are gay as fuck. Sorry, but so now we're just gonna go to where like our middle of our eyes and we're just gonna swipe. I think that's the shape I want. Hold on, nope. Alright, I think that's the shape I want. Like, that's as far as we're gonna get it. So, on to the next. So now we have to set the blush that we just put on our eyes. So, this is a random palette, but I'm gonna just go in with this little pinkish red shade. And I'm just gonna go over top of that. Just like that. Just so it lasts longer, it's locked in, and it lasts all day. And I actually want to extend this a little more. My throat, I don't know what I think it's because I started drinking soda tonight. I haven't been drinking or eating junk food like that, and now my throat is all mucusy, but whatever. So now I'm just gonna go in back with that same shade, and we are going to, you know, disperse it, blend it. That's the word, blend it. Blend it, blend it. That looks petrifying, but whatever. You see it. I know you see it, baby girl. Let me turn on this light, because that's what I forgot. This light, ooh. Now y'all really see it. It's just my eyeliner under it that makes it look ugly, raggedy, crusty, dusty, musty. All of that. So, on to the next step. We're going to take our NYX Professional Makeup Epic Wear Waterproof Red Eyeliner. I don't know if I already said waterproof, but it's waterproof. This is my favorite eyeliner. We're just going to go from the bottom of our eye. Y'all know how to do eyeliner, right? I might have to teach y'all. Just ever so slightly bring that out. I want this to stand up because y'all see my lashes were huge, so we're just gonna. So, and you should really be looking at it like this. Ooh, whatever. More eyeliner for me. Never a problem. All right, let's just keep going with this. So y'all see it for what it is, right? I'm not the best with this, but this is what I'm going for. So now I'm just going to go with a wide angled lip brush, I guess. But you see it's tapered and stuff. I'm I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna start smudging this eyeliner to make it like smoky, but also like not like as deep and set in. So I'm just gonna keep. Also, you can, you know, make your lines more nicer with this by drawing with it. But you got to do it fast before it dries. Okay. So now that's done, on to the next step. I just want to go back in with that same pinky rose onto a wide brush and just blend that out, because you don't want, you want it to be more range so it looks like an open wound. All right. So then this step is tedious, so I might just speed it up from here, but I'm going to take my e.l.f. lip liner pencil and a small tapered line brush, and I'm going to do that fast, okay? Now that we have it set, blended it and everything, and we put the little e.l.f. lip liner in there, we are going to also take that same angled brush that we used for the blush, cream blush. We are going to take that same, and we're going to go dip into a black eyeshadow. This is the smoky eyeshadow palette from the Color Workshop, so you guys should really invest that if you guys like smoky eye looks. And also, thank you to the person who got this for me. I know it was around Christmas on my birthday. I forgot who gave it to me because everyone gives me makeup, but I thank you. Thank you to everybody who gave me makeup in the past and everything, because I wouldn't be where I'm at right now without it. So, thank you. So, applying that, we're just going to darken that black. You see it for what it is, right? Oh, I'm so sorry. I feel like I forgot about you guys for a second. I am so sorry. Sorry, Bookie. Alright, on to the final step, basically, and which is adding the blood. So we're going to take, like, a nail tool. I don't know what this is called, like a picker grabber, daughter. Like, you can make art with it, all sorts of things. Ooh, they playing Nicki Minaj downstairs. But now we're going to add blood. This part might be like a little tedious because sometimes with this tool, the blood don't want to be sticking. Well, we're just going to apply blood everywhere. And y'all got to remind me to take pictures because I'm going to post them on my Instagram, so make sure you go check them out. But applying the blood ever so generously. I ain't trying to do too much because I had to put my lashes back on. But everywhere you put the black and the red, put the blood. Unless you got buns, huh? Don't. Honestly, that looks dope already, but I want to add, like, I want to make it look messy. So I'm going to add a lot more. I feel like this is not doing enough for me, so I kind of want to just go back in with that brush and just swipe it off. And I kind of want to make it messy too, so just add blood and splatter it. So now you got your bloody eyeliner, and I kind of want to add some extra droop, so we're going to put some in our little thing. Also, the blood that I'm using is Fantasy Makers. It is the fake blood Fox Sang Wet and Wild. It's the 50mm one. This has lasted me a while. Oh shit, sorry. I forgot. So I just literally just did that and I just applied it. So I want to add another one because that's not it. Yeah, that's cute. That's cute. Trigger warning, fake blood. Fake blood, you guys. So I'm going to do the other eye and then I'm going to apply my lashes and I will be back, okay? Also, I do want to say before I get back, make sure you guys don't get this blood or anything in your eyes because it might cause irritation. Alright, so that concludes this look, okay? But if you guys want to know what products I used for the eye look that I had before, those are also shown in the video before for my eyebrow tinting because, like I said, these puppies are bad as fuck. So make sure you go check out my eyebrow tinting video. And that is all. That is all for today's video. So I hope you guys have a great night, day, whatever. But yeah, I love you guys. Bye now.